Good morning, students, and welcome back to the class. In the previous class, we discussed about the deviation, okay, from Mendelian laws, okay, or a variation from a Mendelian law. In that, we discussed about the incomplete dominance, okay, and another example for this deviation of Mendel's law is codominance, okay. So today we will discuss about this codominance, okay. So codominance is another deviation or another exception to the Mendelian law of dominance. Okay. So example for this codominance is ABO blood grouping in human beings. Okay. And you see here in codominance what happens? Co means together. Co means together. Dominance means one will which will phenotypically express itself its character. Okay. So codominance means here both the allele will express together. Okay. That is what is known as codominance. Okay. And example for this codominance is you see here. In case of this cow, the skin color, okay, you take red and white. Red is this denoted by capital R and capital R, and white skin color is denoted by small r and small r. Okay, and these are the parents. When they are crossed, then what happened? These gametes are produced from this capital R from RR and small r from this small r and small r. And when these gametes fuse together and they produce the F1. So that is capital R and small r. You see here. This F1, it is not red. Okay. And here what happens? In case of this dominance, law of dominance, what we see in F1, this all were tall. That means only tall this character expressed phenotypically. And in case of this incomplete dominance, you see here in F1 hybrid, this when red flower is crossed with white flower, then in F1 what happened? This we did not get the red flower or white flower. Instead, we get the intermediate color, that is a pink color. So here what happened? Both the colors blend each other. So this that is a incomplete dominance. That means red color is not completely dominated the white color. So that is why it is incomplete dominance. So that is why we got the intermediate character color here, and that is a pink. And but in case of this here in codominance, you see here the F1 hybrids of this F1, they were having both the red color as well as a white color. That is the cow here in F1 hybrid cow, it was having both the red and white color patches on it. Okay, you see, that means both red and white, both the characters, they expressed themselves. That is they are expressed. That is why they are co-dominance. Co means together. Dominance means express themselves. Here both the character, they express themselves in the F1 hybrids. That is why it is known as a codominance. Okay. And this example is not given in your this NCERT textbook, but it is easy to understand. Okay. And the example given in the textbook NCERT is ABO blood grouping. Let us see what is that. You see here blood. The blood is what is that? Blood. The character of this blood is regulated by I gene. Okay, and the gene I has 3 alleles. This the I gene which regulates the blood in human beings, it is having 3 allelic forms, that is IA, IB and small I. Usually we will be having 2 alleles. Okay, that is you see here capital T, small t. They are only having 2 alleles, but here we are having 3 alleles, that is IA, IB and small I. And this IA and IB are dominant. IA and this IB are dominant over this small I. These are the 3 alleles of gene IA, IB and small I. And this IA and IB are dominant over this small I. That means when IA and small I are present, then only IA will express, and when IB and small I are present, then only IB will express, because IA and IB are dominant over. Okay, further understand these things. IA and IB are co-dominant with each other, but when both IA and IB are present together, then what happens? They both express because they are co-dominant. What is this co-dominance? Both the character will express. You see here, both red and white color, they both the character are expressed in F1. So this IA and IB are co-dominant. Co means together, dominance means express. They both express themselves. So that is why you see, go through this blood group chart of human beings. Okay, you see here this blood, these are this column we have blood groups. When the blood group is A, then you see what is the genotype of that blood group. It will be having a IA, capital IA and IA. Okay, then we will be having this A blood group. And another possibility is when IA and small I is there, then also we will be having A blood group, because here IA is dominant and it will express, so that is why blood group will be A. Okay, and when blood group is B, then the genotype will be like this, that is IB and IB, that is homozygous condition. Okay, when IB and IB will be there, then blood group will be B, because IB, that is homozygous, no other question. And when IB and small I are present, you see, when IB and small I are present, then what happens? IB is dominant over the small I, that is why blood group will be B. Blood group will be B, that is IB and small I. Okay, then AB blood group, you see, when IA and IB both are present, these both express together. That is why blood group will be AB. A also express, B also express. That is why blood group will be AB. Okay, when IA and IB are present. So this is example for a co-dominance. That is both the character express themselves. Okay, and next, when we will be having O blood group, then the genotype will be small I and small I. Okay, then because no capital IA and no IB, automatically the blood group will be O. So this is how we can see co-dominance in ABO blood grouping of human beings. Okay, so with this we conclude here and continue tomorrow. Thank you.